An attorney for the brother of Lorenzo Salgado contradicts what the FBI reveals in an affidavit that they found possible illegal drugs, maybe meth, in the van the men were riding in after the shooting. Katia Winfrey with that story tonight.
Shocking allegations about these plastic baggies containing drugs inside Lorenzo Salgado's van are false. That's according to immigration attorney Ruby Powers. She's representing Lorenzo's brother, Victor.
We realized this was basically almost like a character assassination, and we didn't want that to continue.
Powers says the story, as told by her client, tells a different narrative. And right now, while this case plays out in the court of public opinion, it's vital to share.
Which was crystallized salt used as an electrolyte.
The flow of information from federal authorities has been slow, so there was immediate shock learning the warrant details and findings were released.
And disbelief, and I figured there had to be a really good reason as to what that was, what those items were.
Powers says her client is working through the trauma, reminded of how close he was to being killed. Powers says an agent fired a shot through the open window where Victor was sitting, but the bullet, however, hit his brother.
And so it was very close, and the sound was very loud, and he says he still, he can still hear it, and he still has nightmares about that, what happened. But in fact, he thought he was shot because it was just so close to him.
Powers says this is a fight to defend his honor, saying Victor is also a victim.
He saw what happened before his own eyes, and he wants to get justice for his brother.
Reporting in Houston, Katia Winfrey, KHOU 11 News.